how to fix Bluetooth connected but no sound on Windows 11. So if you've connected something like your headphones to your computer but you can't hear any sound, then the first thing we need to do is just go and open up the volume icon in the bottom right hand side. And first of all, obviously just make sure the volume slider is turned up to full like this, and then you can click on this little icon next to the volume slider, and this is going to show you the different output devices. So from here, make sure to select the output device that you want to play your sound from. So this will typically be your headphones that you have connected via Bluetooth. Now if that's not working, we're just going to right click on our volume icon, click on sound settings, and once again underneath output, make sure you have your headphones or your Bluetooth device selected. You can then scroll down to the bottom and click on more sound settings. Now in the playback tab, go and locate your Bluetooth device from this list. Now once you've located your AirPods or your headphones or whatever you have connected, just go and select them like so and click on this set default button. They should also be enabled, so you should see a green tick next to your Bluetooth device, and you can do that just by right clicking and selecting enable. Now if that's still not working, then just close out of this window. We're then going to open up the start menu and search for services and click on this window. Now scroll down until you see the Bluetooth support service and double click on this. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic and press apply and OK. You're then going to right click on this and select restart, and you can check to see if your sound is now working. Now another solution is to open up your start menu and search for troubleshoot settings and click on this. Click on other troubleshooters, and first of all you can go and run this audio troubleshooter here. And it's going to ask you this question: do we have your consent to run automated diagnostics? Just go and press yes, and you can check to see if that solves your audio issue. Now if that doesn't work, you can also try running the Bluetooth troubleshooter as well, and that's another way that you can go and solve this issue. Now the final solution is just to open up the start menu and search for settings. Click on Bluetooth and devices in the left hand side, click on view more devices, and then go and locate the device that you're having issues with. So mine's my AirPods, so I'm going to click on this and select remove this device and press remove. Now once you've removed your Bluetooth headphones, you can come back up to the top and click on add device, then click on Bluetooth, and you can try and repair your AirPods or your headphones, and hopefully now that will have solved your audio issue. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.